The next weather meteorologist, KC Sherman, is here, and luckily, KC, nothing like this here, but we are going to see a lot of rain.
Yeah, rain and thunderstorms. And hey, our own Atlantic hurricane season only 8 days away now. By the way, NOAA will have their official seasonal outlook issued tomorrow at 11 a.m. So we will have that right here at CBS News Miami at noon. Stay tuned for that. Right now, what we're tracking, though, is a bit of rain down through the Keys. We've also begun to see some thunderstorms now push from southwest to northeast across Miami-Dade County. The Keys had quite a bit of lightning this morning. Key West saw some very heavy rain. The bulk of that is now to the south of them with some light rain now pushing in and around the Marathon area across the Middle Keys. Miami-Dade County, we're now starting to see some of that moisture lift north, where notice we do have some thunderstorm development around Homestead, Princeton, beginning to see some of that heavier rain work its way up the US 1 corridor, where we've even begun to see some of that now move into the Dadeland area. Coral Gables, heads up, this is now spreading in your direction. We have some lightning and some very heavy rain with this, along with the Sunrise Harbor area, and we will continue to see coverage increase as we head into the next couple of hours. Broward County, you've been dry, plenty of sunshine so far this morning, but as we head into this afternoon and throughout this evening, we will be looking at a very similar setup to what we had yesterday with those thunderstorms set to move in. Plenty of moisture to deal with. We've got a stalled out front that's just to the north of us with a low pressure system along that's been leading to what has been these heavier rounds of rain, the possibility of seeing some strong storms that persists yet again for the day today and even possibly through your Thursday. Now, this begins to fade away. We'll be looking at additional disturbance moving in for Friday, leading to more scattered thunderstorms in the forecast. But the good news is by the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and yes, into your Memorial Day, it does look like some drier air in the upper levels of the atmosphere will start to move in, and that actually should lead to some lower rain chances for this holiday weekend just in time. Out the door right now, look live downtown Miami, 86 degrees, a steamy afternoon, feeling like 94 degrees with those dew points middle 70s. The sunshine that we had earlier on, along with the humidity, is going to provide the fuel to see some of these strong and possibly isolated severe storms. We do have a level 1 out of 5 risk in place for all of South Florida for the day today. Look out for frequent lightning, certainly some heavy rain, the potential of seeing some localized flooding with that, and even the possibility of seeing some strong wind gusts, along with even some hail, thanks to some cold air in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So for the remainder of this afternoon, rain storms continue to spread in from the southwest. 3, 4, 5 o'clock is really going to be our main time frame for some of the heavier thunderstorms, continuing through 6, 7 p.m. and even into about the sunset time frame, 9, 10 o'clock. We still could have some stragglers as far as those thunderstorms go. Memorial Day weekend, there is that sneak peek. Few spotty showers still in the forecast, but not nearly as wet as we will be for today and tomorrow. Rain chances remaining high through Friday before we start to dry out for the weekend.